Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study about the different occupation. So what is an occupation? An occupation is a job or a profession. So this is the things that you are going to do or you want to do or you want to have when you grow up. Okay? Occupation. So occupations have different career aspirations. So we have different kinds of jobs and different kinds of works. Today we are going to know the different kinds of job that we have and what is their functions in our community. So, the question we're going to have for today is, what do I want to be? I want to be a, or I want to be an. So, it is a question that we are going to ask ourselves or yourselves. What do you want to be? What do you want to be when you grow up? What job do you want to do when you grow up? Okay, let us go to the vocabularies. First, you can say that I want to be an astronaut. I want to be an astronaut. This is an astronaut. So as an astronaut, he or she flies to the moon or go to the outer space and then study the different things that are happening outside the earth. The next you can say, I want to be a farmer. So a farmer, they plant rice and corns or other crops. Next, you can say, I want to be a teacher. So a teacher teaches students at school or at home, and then they help you in many ways to learn how to speak, to write, to read. Next, you can say, I want to be a chef. So a chef works in the restaurant. They make foods, or he or she makes food, different kinds of food. Next, we have a librarian. So a librarian, she or he works at the library. So in the library, what can we see in the library? We can see a lot of books, or we can go to the library to research about something. Next, you can say, I want to be a pilot. A pilot flies an airplane. Then, you can say, I want to be a florist. So a florist works at the flower shop. Do you want to be a florist? Or you can be a musician. So you can say, I want to be a musician. Musician makes music. I want to be a cashier. So a cashier works at store and at the mall as well. Or you can say that a cashier works at the supermarket. You can also say, I want to be an artist. So an artist can be a painter, a sculptor, or anything that is related to the work of art. Artist. I want to be a plumber. A plumber is the one who who, who works anywhere. It can be a home, a building, a school. They work with the water pipes. If the water pipes is broken like this one, so the plumber is the one who fixed it. Next, you can say, I want to be a soldier. So a soldier fights for the country. They takes care of the country and then it will have peace. You can also say, I want to be a taxi driver. Taxi driver takes you anywhere or takes you to the places you want to go. I want to be a dentist. The dentist takes care of your teeth. I want to be a businessman. A businessman builds his company, his or her company, or he or she makes his own or her business. I want to be a vlogger. So a vlogger or a social media influencer. They tend to work anywhere as well. You can travel or you can do anything that you are passionate about. You can also say, I want to be a firefighter. So a firefighter puts out the fire. I want to be a doctor. A doctor treats the sick people. If you are sick, you can go to the doctor. He works at the hospital. Then we have the nurse, or you can say, I want to be a nurse. Nurse helps the doctor, and nurse also treats sickness, and she or he assists the doctor at the hospital. Then we have the actor or actress. I want to be an actor or actress. So an actor is a boy or is a man, an actress is a woman. If you want to be seen on TV and be famous, you can be an actor or an actress. Okay, let us review. Astronaut, farmer, teacher, chef, librarian, pilot, florist, musician, cashier, artist, plumber, soldier, taxi driver, dentist, businessman, vlogger, firefighter, doctor, nurse, actor or actress. So there are many things or there are many jobs that are stored for you when you grow up or that works or will work for you when you grow up. Now it's up to you. What do you want to be? Okay? What do you want to be or what do you want to do when you grow up? Now, the question is, ask yourself, what do I want to be when I grow up? I want you all to think, what is it that you want when you grow up? Okay? So, this is about the occupation. We are going to study again next week and discuss it furthermore. So that's all for today. Please remember the different occupations or think about the things that you want to be when you grow up. That's all. Thank you and goodbye.